Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today, got that special video that I told you about last time. We're still gonna be reviewing a earthquake kit. This is a 2 weeks, the minimum what you should have in your home for the next big earthquake. Again, I can't even say this enough. Big shout out to Cascadia Quake Kits for sending this to me so I can review it, give you guys my honest opinion and if it's worth getting. Last time we went over the 3-day kit. You can see that video here, and today we're going to be going over the 2-week kit. I'm really excited to see what we have here today, so let's get to it.
One eternity later.
And we're back. Sorry guys, I had to take everything out. I want to go because this is this thing's big, but you can see we have so much cool stuff to go through. Again, I'm already impressed. But let's continue it. I'm gonna start off with the rations here. We have 4 3-day blocks. That's about 12 days of food right here. Isn't that incredible? I don't know, man. 12 days of eating the same thing? I don't know how I feel about that, but hey, it's right there. It's available. There's an earthquake. We have to make do with what we have. So, not you know, I'm not complaining as long as I got food. Next up, we have a really comprehensive medical kit. And this one's much nicer than the one included in the 3-day pack. You can see it brings a lot of useful equipment for any type of medical emergencies that you might have after an earthquake, right? We got another nice pair of gloves. These are legit. We used them in the past. We got a reusable emergency sleeping bag. Very nice. Oh, I forgot to mention there's a big blue tarp in here that I want to take out because it's all nicely folded and I'm just gonna mess it up. So it's there, but it does include a really nice blue tarp. We got our why am I from beep our notebook right here. Yeah, right in the rain, all weather line notebook to keep important information. We got a Platypus Bladder for some water. Very cool. Could stick this to a backpack if you have one already. Very nice. More waste bags, but we'll get to these in a little bit. These are actually pretty cool. We got the heat reflective poncho, another nice addition. Again, we got another headlamp. These are so cool. Really like that they included this, because I'm telling you, more than likely you're not gonna have any power, so why not? Very good. Got some light sticks, some warmers, some uni-heat warmers, you know, in case it's really cold. We got some duct tape. We all know duct tape fixes everything, especially taping faults, right? We gotta tape the fault. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. We got more waterproof matches. We saw some of those in a smaller bag. We got some rope. Never know when this is gonna come in handy. Never know. Again, we got another awesome sticker. Shout out to Cascadia Quake Kits. We got the emergency blankets. All that ready and available for you. We got really nice goggles. These are a little bit of an upgrade from the other ones, which is okay. We got some N95 masks. Very nice. We got 2 of them. We got a whistle as well, just in case any emergencies. Why do I want to keep calling this a med kit? It's a health kit. It's a why am I forgetting this? Hygiene kit. There you go, dude. We got a hygiene kit. Always good to have those. Now let's see. We got a radio. This one is a hand radio. I don't think it has. Oh, it does have a flashlight. Okay, so it's a dual one, right? USB. It's a charger too. Radio, solar charging. Oh baby, we got a solar charger, but solar powered one. Very nice. Pen crank, LED flashlight, glow in the dark locator, headphone jacks. This is top notch right here. Built in with everything you need. It does not get better than that. Now I've left a few items here, and these are the ones that I really want to talk about here in a second. But look at this. Prepare together. Congratulations, you've taken a major step preparing for an earthquake or any other disaster. Nice work. This is something that has to feel good. This is something that has to feel good as somebody who's taking the steps to prepare themselves for the next big disaster. So I really like that note. It's very assuring that you're not the only one that's doing this. You know, we're all in this together, and you know, kind of that solidarity. Now I leave this one out because we have this really cool pocket pliers, multifunctional tool. This thing's heavy, man. This thing is heavy, but it looks super cool. I can definitely make a video on that another time, but I'm just showing you what's here. But this thing right here, this is what I really want to show you. If you don't recognize what this is a gas shut-off tool. So it's got the slot right here where you're able to turn on and off your gas shut off after an earthquake, which is really important to do. You know, you don't want to start any fires. So amazing. I cannot stress how important this tool is, and I'm so glad that Cascadia Quake Kits has it available in their 2-week earthquake kit. This is incredible. It's got the instructions. He's even got like a little pickaxe, you know. Got a little something to, you know, wedge things. This is incredible. It's lightweight. I love it. Well done. But it gets better. Not only do they send you this really nice crate with everything nicely packed, but we also get water jugs of water with a nice Cascadia Quake Kits and a little sticker that says for water. These things are incredible. This is what you want to hold your water for the best shelf life. Now I have no problem with holding water, even bottled water, in the other containers, any kind of plastic containers, but these are top notch. And this one brings 3 of them. So I have 2 other ones down here. That's 5 gallons per bottle. So I would have water ready for about 15 gallons, which is traditional for 1 person. So I'm good to go. You should be too, right? Water is the most important resource. I cannot stress this enough. You will not have access to clean water. You can't drink water. You want to have water to flush the toilets. Speaking of flushing the toilets, there is something else included in this kit right here. Portable toilet. One designated for number 1 and the other one designated for number 2. And it gets better. You open the toilet up. Obviously these are new. We got some toilet paper in here. We got some kind of hay, some gloves. Sorry. What else do we have? Like I mentioned, we got some hay to absorb the fluids from number 1. We got some more toilet paper. Like I said, some gloves to keep you know, sanitization. We got bags, disposable bags, some more toilet paper in there. I think that's it. Ow. Oops. Don't get hit in the head with the toilet. And some hand sanitizer. Easy, easy, easy. And then there's a number 2 toilet as well. So look at that. Everything you need for the next emergency, it's all here, ready to go, courtesy of Cascadia Quake Kits. Now, you don't have to live in Cascadia to get one of these. You don't. Because we get earthquakes in California, in Alaska, Oregon, Washington. Even international, there's earthquakes, right? Earthquakes all over the world. Did I mention a cool sticker? Oh, yeah, you're not gonna have TikTok or YouTube or any type of internet. So they even include some playing cards. Look at that. That's cool. Time to start playing some solitaire. Got some extra batteries that you provided with. Very nice. So let's last thing I want to do is I want to check this thing out here. Now I do want to make something clear here, is that this kit is designed for one person, and it's one person for 2 weeks. But I know they have 2-person kits available for 2 weeks, 3-person, 4, 5. So it's really nice to look at all the options here. Look, it even tells you some steps: fill your water containers, mark the date on the hang tag, get to know your kit, read through your emergency plans. Okay, so we got some papers with emergency plans, so you could write down all the important information, like numbers, contacts, meeting places, and so we have also an emergency plan over here. Additional items to add to your earthquake kit. So, ooh, pet emergency plan, always good to have. You can't forget about your pets, guys. Emergency contact cards, something you can have easily in your wallet. And the 2-week essential earthquake disaster kit. Everything that is included in this kit. Incredible. It's definitely an incredible kit. That's like amazing. Honestly, like I'm ready to go. I built my own. But it's not to the extent of what this is right here. And I'm ready. Are you? Are you ready? I hope you are. Yeah, so that's a really good earthquake kit, guys. And like I said, some people would rather build their own, and that's totally okay. Some people would rather just buy one, and that's okay too. It can be stressful. It can be very hard to motivate yourself to go out there and pick up all these items to create your earthquake kit. But at the end of the day, there's people who do amazing work like Cascadia Quake Kits, and they build this stuff for you in quality products, and I like them. I'm being truthful and honest right there. I think these are incredible, and if you're one of those persons that knows you need to get prepared but are just like, I don't want to like build my own, this is an incredible option right here. Being able to purchase a whole 2-week preparedness kit that includes jugs of water, portable toilets, and just all this awesome, amazing utilities and tools and extra things that it might come in handy during the next emergency. So I'm very impressed here. I would highly recommend this. And the best part here, guys, is that not a lot of people make 2-week kits like these. There's not a lot of companies out there that do them. There's 3-day ones. I've seen a few, and you know, those are good. You know, but I have not really seen someone come up with such an extensive and powerful 2-week earthquake preparedness kit. It's recommended that you prepare for have materials and resources for about 2 weeks after a disaster, and all you need to do is order one of these and you're good to go. Obviously, you got to fill out the water, right? You got to have your water ready, and again, the water doubles for every person in your household, but it's a start, and you're gonna be glad that you did that. Okay, so I give the 2-week essential earthquake disaster kit, I give it a 9.2 out of 10. So what are the things that I think are missing here? Honestly, not really nothing. There's it checks through all the important things. That's first and foremost. The essentials are there, and that's what's super important to have in your kit. The rest is just bonus, right? And Cascadia Quake Kit, especially this one in particular, does a really good job getting the main components and the most important parts of an earthquake kit. So big shout out to them. I hope that this pushes you towards starting to prepare for the next big earthquake or any hazards. You don't have to prepare for earthquakes. Many hazards out there. But you know, we as an earthquake geologist, I like to focus on earthquakes because you don't know when disaster will strike. But with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys watching it. If you made it to the end, you're an absolute legend. Thank you so much. Don't forget to comment. Did we miss something? Could this kit use something else? Anything else you guys might have as an idea, please drop it in the comments. Make sure to drop a like, really helps out the page. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to see more future content. I will continue to make lecture videos on a free geology class for you guys here on YouTube. But that's it for me, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Much love. Goodbye.